Hi everyone, it's James. I'm going to show you how to play Candyland, the classic game of sweet adventures for ages 3+. 2 to 4 players can play. Adult assembly required. Made in USA. Hasbro Gaming. Let's look at the back. Spin and move to meet magical friends. In this box, you get a spinner and 4 characters. Twirly Girl, Cutie Cone, Giggly Gumdrop, Mally Mallow. You get the board game, a spinner in the shape of a candy, four cute characters. I've already peeled these stickers and placed them on these markers. King Candy's Castle. Here's the assembly, which is easy. To assemble it, put the arrow through this hole, and here is the connector on the bottom. Let's play. The youngest player goes first. Turns go to the left. Spin the spinner. Where did it stop? 1 color block. Move your character to the next space that matches this color. 2 color block. Move the character to the second space that matches this color. Picture space. Move your character forward or backward to the space matching the picture. Be the first to arrive at King Candy's Castle. Spin on any color to land here. Rules of the rainbow path. If you land on a licorice square, you lose your turn. If you land on either one of these, take the shortcut to the other side of the pass. If you land on an occupied color space, go to the next space of the same color. If you land on an occupied picture space, spin again. Let's look at the board. This is the mini version of Candyland. It's pretty cute. Okay, this is start. This is a shortcut. Peppermint Forest. This is a shortcut. Candy. Nana's Nut House. Licorice Lagoon. This means you lose a turn. Again, you lose a turn. Almost there. Frosted Palace. King Candy's Castle. You win once you reach this rainbow. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to play this game. Place your characters off the color path. The youngest person spins. Here's a peanut, chocolate ice cream, a lollipop, and a candy. If it's just one solid color, you move directly to this color. If it lands on these 2 purple, then you count 1, 2. You go to 2 spaces. Let's start. The youngest person spins. Let's say the youngest person is Cutie Cone. Spin. Go to 1 yellow. Okay, next is, we'll just go in order. Twirly Girl. 1 red. Okay, next is Giggly Gumdrop. Oh, that's in the middle. Spin it again. So this Giggly Gumdrop is going to skip the first purple and land on the second purple. And now it's Molly Mallow's turn. 2 yellow. We'll skip the first one and we'll go to the second one, which is the shortcut. So Molly Mallow goes across and lands here. Okay, facing this way. 2 green. 2 green. 1, 2. Oh, look. Go to the lollipop. So Cutie Cone goes right to the lollipop, far away from everyone else. 2 red. Twirly Girl, 1 and 2. Two orange. 1, 2. 2 yellow. Okay, it's your turn, Cutie Cone. 1 red. Only here. Oh, go to the candy. Where's the candy? Right here. Jump. One green. 2 yellow. Oh, whose turn is it? I lost track. Okay. 2 yellow. 1, 2. Next. Oh, look. Go to the chocolate ice cream. Yay! Go to the peanut. Jump. Here. 1 purple. 1 green. 1 orange. 2 green. 1, 2. 2 blue. 1, 2. 1 yellow. Uh-oh, that's in the center. 1 red. Peanut. 2 yellow. Look, 1, 2. I win! Okay, that person would win. Let's say that this person spins and gets 2 purple. 1 and 2. Oh no! This person loses their turn 1 time. 2 green. 1, 2. 1 purple. Oops, that was close. 1 red. Oh, that's the center. But let's say that they got the lollipop. Oh no, you have to go back to the lollipop. Oh no! So this is how to play Candyland. I hope you found this interesting. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe to my channel.